Welcome to Kids Igbo class.
Hi children, welcome to another time with Teacher Princess. I'm happy to see you, and I know you're also happy to see me too. In today's video, we're going to learn about some of the house chores we do regularly in our homes. We're going to learn what they are called in Igbo, and we're also going to learn how to make sentences with some of these chores. By the end of this video, I am hoping that next time you want to refer to some of those chores, maybe in a conversation, you have to say it in Igbo, okay? We are Igbo speakers here, and then we want you to watch this and begin to say it from today. Yeah. We're learning how to say our daily chores in Igbo. We're going to learn how to make sentences with some of the chores that we do every day. Sentences about the chores that we do every day. Are you ready? Let's go. The first we're seeing is Isa Efere. Isa Efere is to wash the dishes, to wash plates, and to make it look good and all that. If we want to make a sentence about washing plates, we can say Ana m asa efere kwa ubochi. It simply means I wash plates every day. Let's take it again slowly. Ana m asa efere kwa ubochi. Again, ana m asa efere kwa ubochi. I wash plates every day. Like these children in the picture, we see them washing the plates, right? The next is imezi akwa. Imezi akwa is to make your bed, to make it look good, to arrange it to look nice and beautiful. All right. Now the sentence here is Anam emezi akwam kwa ututu. Let's say it again. Anam emezi akwam kwa ututu. Ututu means morning. So what that means is I make my bed every morning. Okay? I make my bed every morning. Anam emezi akwam kwa ututu. Another one is Isa ubwala. Isa ubwala. Isachasia, asachasi. Just wash it up to look good. It means to wash your vehicle. Washing the vehicle, washing the car, that's the ubwala. Isa ubwala. The model sentence we have here is Nnam na-asa ubwala. My dad is washing the car. Nnam na-asa ubwala. Again, Nnam na-asa ubwala. My dad is washing the car. Hi parents and lovers of the Igbo language. My name is Princess Enyinna-Okoro, the founder of Kids Igbo class. Our goal is to teach children the Igbo language from a tender age so that when they become older, it has become a skill they have acquired. How would you like this opportunity to intensively teach your children intentionally the Igbo language? Enroll them into the 12 weeks of intensive Igbo course for children. We are going to teach your children the Igbo language in ways they are going to understand. When you enroll your children, they will not just get YouTube videos. They will get courses every weekend. They will get access to replays. They will get engaging homeworks. They will get study guides worth over 15,000 naira. You already pay more for other activities that help your children develop their personal lives, like swimming clubs, like French classes, like Spanish clubs and Spanish classes, and so on. How about you prioritize this very vital, important aspect of your children's personal development? Give them the opportunity to acquire their native tongue, their mother tongue naturally. Give them this opportunity to connect back to their cultural heritage, something they are going to be grateful to you for in the future. The registration is on. Enroll your children. You get a discount when you enroll more than one child. We are eager to have you, and we need you to take actions immediately because the slots are filling up fast. I'll see you soon. See you in class. Izacha ụlọ. Again, izacha ụlọ. To zacha is to sweep. Zachasia, just sweep off. Sweep, 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 sweep. A model sentence is this one. Mamam gwaram kam zacha ụlọ. I'll say it again. Mamam gwaram kam zacha ụlọ. My mother told me to sweep the house. I'll say it again. My mother told me to sweep the house. So the sentence again in Igbo is Mamam gwaram kam zacha ụlọ. Did you get it? Clap for yourself. Excellent. The next is ihicha ụlọ. Ihicha ụlọ, to clean the house. And in this case, we can use it for when someone needs to mop up the house, right? Like this girl is correctly or rightly mopping the house. We can say nwanne m nwanyị na-ehicha ụlọ. I'll say it again. Nwanne m nwanyị na-ehicha ụlọ. My sister is cleaning the house. Nwanne m nwanyị na-ehicha ụlọ. Can you say that? Let's go. Nwanne m nwanyị na-ehicha ụlọ. Very, very good. Another one is isacha uwe. Uwe here means your clothes. Some people call it aqua, efe, there are different variations. But we're saying today, isacha uwe is to wash your clothes, to do the laundry. All right. Now we see these people here about to do the laundry. And a model sentence we can make is bia ka anyị saa uwe. Come, let's wash the clothes. Again, bia ka anyị saa uwe. Come, let's wash the clothes. Can you say yours? Bia ka anyị saa uwe. Good. The next house chore we do regularly is to take off the clothes. That's what we have here. Iwepu uwe. Take it off. Take off these clothes, or this wears on the bed. We can see that there are some clothing items on the bed, and then someone can say, Wepu uwe ahụ n'akwa. Take it off. Take off those clothes from the bed. Wepu ya. Take it off. Okay, let's say it again. Wepu uwe ahụ n'akwa. Again, wepu uwe ahụ n'akwa. Take off those clothes or that particular cloth from the bed. All right? Wepu uwe ahụ n'akwa. Oh, here we see this. From the picture, you already can guess, right? Yes, I know. He's throwing the trash. So to throw away the trash is itufu ahihia. Can you say that? Again, itufu ahihia. Again, itufu ahihia. So a model sentence can be, Mamam gwaram kam tufuo ahihia. I'll say it again. Mamam gwaram kam tufuo ahihia. My mother told me to throw away the trash. Mamam gwaram kam tufuo ahihia. My mother told me to throw out the trash. And that's exactly what this boy is doing. The next is isimri. This happens in many people's homes because we have to eat, right? From the picture, you can guess what it means. Isimri is to cook, prepare food, to cook. This mom and this child are trying to cook. A model sentence from cooking can be, Anyị na-esi nri kwa mgbede. I say it again. Anyị na-esi nri kwa mgbede. Anyị na-esi nri kwa mgbede. We cook every evening. Okay? Oh, here comes ịga ahịa. Ịga ahịa is to go to the market. Of course, we need to go to the market or to the supermarket, depending on where you live, to shop. right? So ịga ahịa is to go to the market. A modal sentence can be nne m na-aga ahịa na ngwụcha izu ụka. My mom goes to the market during the weekend. I go again. Nne m na-aga ahịa na ngwụcha izu ụka. Again. Nne m na-aga ahịa na ngwụcha izu ụka. My mom goes to the market during the weekend. Okay? Next is ịzụta ihe nri. It's another chore that we often do. Ịzụta ihe nri. From the picture, you can already guess. Foodstuff, right? So ịzụta ihe nri is to buy some foodstuff. Things we need for us to make our meals. Our modal sentence is anyị zụtara ụfọdụ ihe nri. I go again. Anyị zụtara ụfọdụ ihe nri. We bought some foodstuff. I say it again. Anyị zụtara ụfọdụ ihe nri. We bought some foodstuff. All right? Moving on. Ịkwakọ akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ. Let's go again. Ịkwakọ. Ịkwakọ, to put it together, to pack up. You know? Ịkwakọ akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ. That simply means to pack up our school bag. All right? To pack up your school bag. I say it again. Say it with me. Ịkwakọ akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ. To pack up your school bag. An example sentence is gaa kwakọba akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. I'll take it more slowly. Let's say it together. Gaa kwakọba akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Again. Gaa kwakọba akpa ụlọ akwụkwọ gị. Go and pack up your school bag. The next is ịhọcha agwa. Ịhọcha agwa is one of the processes of cooking beans, right? It's something we do when we want to cook our beans. We first have to sort it out, take away the parts that we don't want, the unwanted particles and all of that. Ịhọcha agwa, to pick beans. Ịhọcha agwa. Bịa ka anyị họchaa agwa. Come, let's pick the beans. I'll say it again. Bịa ka anyị họchaa agwa. Bịa ka anyị họchaa agwa. Come and let us do what? Pick the beans together. That's what it means to họchaa agwa. Another one is ịhazi akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Let's go. Ịhazi akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Ịhazi akpụkpọ ụkwụ. To arrange our shoes. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ is your shoes, your footwear, right? Ịhazi ya is you arranging it and making it look good. All right? Now our model sentence is this. Nwanne m nwoke na-ahazi akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya. My brother is arranging his shoes. I say it again. Nwanne m nwoke na-ahazi akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya. My brother is arranging his shoes. And this one finally is ihicha table. Ihicha table. That simply means to clean the table, maybe when there is a spill or maybe after a meal or something. We have to clean it up, right? Ana m ehicha table kwa ụbọchị. I clean the table every day. I say it again. Ana m ehicha table kwa ụbọchị. I clean the table every day. I know that was a very good one because this is something that you do in your house. Let's say one last time. Ana m ehicha table kwa ụbọchị. That was so amazing! Did you learn anything? Can you tell me what you learned today? Type it in the comments, and if there is any chore that you do regularly that I didn't put in that conversation, let me know also. Maybe I can make a video on it sometime later in the future. I hope you had so much fun. Till I come your way next time, remember to continue speaking the Igbo language. Makana asusu Igbo atoka. I will see you in the next one. Kodi.